This is video 4 of week 3. So just as a matter of conclusion, you might be wondering who is right, which approach is more likely to be right in expressing or in describing how language acquisition works. Well, here there's only one conclusion to be made, which is that the domain of language is sufficiently broad and its acquisition sufficiently complex to require some contribution from several of these interpretations. So again, I think that it's a matter of probably an interaction between the structural theories or the structural ideas, the structural observations that we abstract from looking at language from that perspective, and the functional observations or considerations that we have in a yin-yang relationship. And it's only when we are able to keep calm and put those together and take a little bit from here and a little bit from there, that we have any chance of getting a clearer picture of that elephant that those Indians were trying to describe. So I'm not saying that we are close to any of that, but I think this is the only way to go, which is to think that probably it is a mixture of both. There might be components of innate ability, and there might be a lot of components of general processes that go on in the brain, and so on and so forth. Okay? So just as a final note then for this week, this presentation is on Nestor, and you have the videos and the presentation, and we'll go over the questions for both Montrul and Tomasello during the seminar, meaning you will go over them and then we'll pose any any remaining questions or clarifications that you have onto me. And also for this week, because it of course it encompasses a whole course, if you want, and a whole life of research, there are many readings and videos that are optional that I have put at your disposal on Nestor, and that if you have time, I really recommend you take a look. Okay, so see you in seminar.